Hi Elaine, it's me. You're right, these questions are a little challenging. They have a couple of things built into them that makes it a little more difficult to see. And I think the first problem that you're having is rearranging the equation. So let's just work on that first. And what I'm going to do here, I'll show you a little trick that I use. So if I have W equal to 100 plus 5 multiplied by H minus 60, this behaves as one thing, okay? So let's make it one thing. So let's just say that A is equal to H minus 60, okay? Then that turns our equation into something that looks a little more simple. Now we have W equal to 100 plus 5 times A. So we're looking for the H, but so in the meantime, we get rid of everything else. So if I want to get rid of the 100, I subtract it from both sides. So I have W minus 100 on that side equals 100 minus 100. Sometimes this confuses people, but you can just see all I'm showing you is that I'm subtracting 100 from both sides. By doing that, everything is balanced, everything is equal. Plus 5A. So on the left-hand side, it just becomes W minus 100. On the right-hand side, things happen because 100 minus 100 cancels out, and I'm left with 5A. Alright, so now we're off to a start. This looks much easier than before. Now let's get the A by itself. Because it's multiplication in here, to get the A by itself, I have to divide by 5. But if I divide by 5 on the right hand side, I have to divide by 5 on the left hand side. I call it the potato chip rule. If I give one to you, I have to give one to everybody else. So then the 5's on this side cancel, and that becomes a 1. So basically on the right hand side, I'm left with A. On the left hand side I mean left hand side of the equal sign, I have W minus 100 over 5 equals A. Now we know that looking back up here, our A value is actually equal to H minus 60. So let's sub that back in. Substitute it back in, and it looks like this. So now it looks like A minus 60 is equal to W minus 100 over 5. Now I want to get rid of this. Sorry, it's not an A, it's an H. Losing it. It should be an H, my bad. Wrong color. I'm big on colors. You probably can tell. So yeah, H minus 60. So I want to get rid of the 60. So this time it's a minus 60, so I've got to add 60 to both sides. So now adding 60 to both sides, I'm going to use brackets, big brackets over here. Don't let them scare you. W minus 100 over 5 plus 160, or sorry, plus 60. On this side, 60 equals H minus 60 plus 60. Now I'll show you an easy way to do that later on if you want me to, because this gets tedious and not much fun. But anyway, in the meantime, you notice this minus 60 and plus 60 cancel out. And now I'm left with a new equation that looks like this. H equals W minus 100 divided by 5 plus 60. And that's solving for H. If you're okay with what I just showed you how to do it, that's fine. If you're uncomfortable or don't like it, let me know. I'll show you how to do it a different way. Not a problem. So looking back at the question 46, it says that a woman who weighs 155 pounds. So her weight's in pounds, and down here, now it's just substituting. So now I'm going to put into 155 for W minus 100 over 5 plus 60 equals my H value. Then I'm going to use my nice little calculator that I have here. I just have this here inside all the time. I love my digital calculator, except the batteries die sometimes. Battery's dead again. Oh my god. Oh, there it goes. Just joking. It's on my computer. I always have fun with that every year. In any case, I have 155. I got a weird sense of humor. You get used to it after a while. 155 minus 100. Oops. I want to caution you here. I want to show you something. I want you to total that up first. Either total that up first, so equals, then divide that by 60, or sorry, by 5. There, or do this. Either go 155. Oops, my bad. Come back. Put brackets in there. 155 minus 100. Close brackets. Divided by 5. You'll notice we get the same answer. The reason why I'm saying do that is because if you don't, your calculator is only as smart as what you put into it. And actually, they're pretty, actually not very bright. Because if I did this, like it says here, if I did 155 minus 100 divided by 5, your calculator is going to use BEDMAS, and it's going to do the 100 divided by 5 first, and we get a totally different answer. See that? So when you're doing a fraction like that, make sure you do the top first, 155 minus 100, then divided by 5. So I would like to either use brackets or get a total before you divide. So by using brackets, we have 11. So moving back down here, that gives us 11 plus 60. And this is in inches, don't forget. So we have 71 inches for height. And if you wanted to, you can put it back in feet and inches, because we have 5 times 12 gives us 60 inches, 12 inches in a foot. So we can actually make it 5 feet, 11 inches, if you want feet and inches. All right, that's great. If you have any more questions or want anything else done, or you just want some help running through rearranging formings, let me know. Please feel free to ask anytime. Also, if you need me to explain something or give you a mini lesson in a lecture format on some problem you're having trouble with, let me know. Also, I was thinking that the class is a little small, so if you wanted to, we can even do individual Skype sessions. I'm open to that too. In the meantime, I got something on the go tonight. Can't get out of it, so there'll be no class tonight, but maybe next Wednesday. In any case, I hope this makes sense to you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.